Hello everyone, in my last video I gave you this list of algorithms to solve the PappyCube version 1 by means of 3 cycles, which is a method quite different from the one you usually find on the internet, which is based on 5 cycles. Since my last video I've been using this algorithm a few times and I'm not happy with them, so I changed the list. And this is the new list of algorithms. The main difference with respect to the previous list is that in that list, some algorithms were equivalent, meaning they were just the same algorithm with a different orientation of the cube. So I removed some algorithm. And I realized that not all possible 3 cycles between faces where the edges are not hidden were possible. So I added a few algorithms. Finally, I made all the algorithm to permute edges clockwise, which is not important, but I like this. Now I'm quite happy with this list of algorithms. I don't think I'm gonna change it anymore. In this algorithm, the name I gave to the edges is quite straightforward. For example, FU means the edge front up, and RD means the edge right down, and so on. A minus in front of an edge means that that edge is flipped during the algorithm. Finally, in my previous list, all algorithms were based on left, front, and down moves, but I've been told that some people prefer to do a right move instead of a left move and an up move instead of a down move. So I converted all the algorithm in a version which is based on right, front, and up moves only. All my algorithms have to be performed by a starting position where this big block here is in the up, right, back position, and also the edges which are not hidden are in the up, right, and back positions. If you want to convert the algorithm for to be performed starting from a different starting position using different moves, you can take into account that the PappyCube is basically a type A bandage cube, standard 3x3 by 3 bandage cube, where this big block here is exactly this big block here. These edges are the one visible, and then there are these big pieces attached to the vertices, which make the cube bigger with respect to the 3x3 cube, which is very small inside, and they give additional constraints for the way you can move it. If you want to convert my algorithm to algorithm which, for example, start from a different position of the cube or use different moves, you can take into account that in my original algorithm, which are left, forward, down moves based, the color of the faces, the central color of the faces, is always in the same position. So you can associate, for example, the front move to white, the left move to orange, and so on. So, for example, suppose you have an algorithm in which you have to perform a left front move, but instead of the left, you want to perform a right move. Then the following move is front, which you know is white, and then you just convert to a white move, and you go on like this. This is the simple way to convert an algorithm from one form to another. Now let's see how to use the algorithm to solve the cube. I always start from the hidden edges, and in this case I want to solve white and orange, which is here. I always want the edge to go in the correct place in front, and I have an algorithm which cycles between these three edges, but it's clockwise. I want it anti-clockwise, so I perform the inverse of this algorithm, which is algorithm 11, and it goes like R2, F, R2, F prime, U prime, R, U, R2, U prime, F prime, U prime, F, U, R2. And now the edge that I want to put in this place is in front. Now that the edge is in front, I want to put it in the left down position. I use algorithm A3, which is up, right, F2, R prime, F prime, R, U, F2. Oh, it doesn't work. I have to go the other way around. F2, and then U prime, R prime, U prime, R. And now the piece is in the correct position. In this phase, I don't care really the correct orientation of this piece. Then I do the same thing for the other two edges, hidden edges, to be fixed till the three of them are all in the correct position. Once the three hidden edges are fixed, although not correctly oriented, I fix one face at a time. For example, in this case, this piece is in the correct position, and I want to get this piece in this position. I have a 3 cycle between this edge, and this edge, which is algorithm A10. I need to perform it twice to move this piece first here and then here. The algorithm goes like U2, R, F prime, R prime, U2, R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, F, R2, F prime, U2, F, U2. Now I have moved the piece, the edge from here to here. I do it again, U2, R, F prime, R prime, U2, R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, sorry, R, yes, F, R2, F prime, U2, F, U2. And I have both pieces in the correct position, although not oriented correctly. And I have one face done. I need to do the last two faces. Now I want to move these two edges here. I can use algorithm A9 that cycles these two edges with this one, and which is U, F, U, R prime, U prime, R2, F, U, R2, F, U prime, R prime, F prime, R prime, F prime, U, and I got this piece in the correct position. Next, I need to move this block, this edge here. I can do it with algorithm A8, which cycles these two edges with this one, and which is U2, F prime, sorry, U2, U2, F, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R, F, R, F prime, R prime, U2. Now both pieces are in the correct position, and of course also these two will be in the correct position. In the last step, I need to orient the hidden edges first. For example, the green and white is not oriented correctly. I can use algorithm B1, which flips these two, this hidden edge and this one, so I will also orient this one at the same time, which is U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U prime, F, R, F, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F, R2, F prime, U. This is has been flipped, this is correctly oriented, and then if necessary I do the same thing with other edges. In this case it's not necessary, they are already oriented. Finally, I need to orient the edges which are not hidden. I go an algorithm to flip this edge, the front left, with any of these. So I just have to choose the algorithm, flip one at a time the flipped edges, and this edge will flip till everything will be fine. So I start with algorithm B1, which flips this edge and this edge, which is U, R prime, U prime, F prime, U prime, F, R, F, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F, R2, F prime, U. This is now is correct, this has been flipped, but it's not a problem. And finally, I need to flip the back down. I use algorithm B5, which will flip this hidden edge back, and we flip this one, and which is U2, R, F, R prime, F prime, U prime, R, F, R, U, R prime, F prime, U prime, F prime, R prime. This has been flipped back, this has also been flipped, and the cube has been solved. Simple and easy. Thanks for watching.